Welcome to our quick guide on PPC pay-per-click advertising. If you want to boost your online presence, you're in the right place. PPC is an online advertising model where you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad. It's a way of buying visits to your site rather than earning them organically. Think of it as a digital auction. You bid for ad placement in a search engine sponsored links. When your PPC campaign is well designed, your fee is trivial because the visit is worth more than what you pay. PPC can skyrocket your brand's exposure and sales. It's fast, controllable, and offers measurable ROI, making it a favorite for digital marketers. Getting value from this quick guide? Please subscribe. We release videos daily to keep you updated with the latest in digital marketing. Have any questions? Leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and are here to help. And if you got value from this video, show us some love with a like. Thanks for watching our 2-minute PPC guide. Stay ahead in the digital game with us. Until next time.